What up, what up, what up? I'm with the Dragon. Dragon Z Chow, what's good? Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yeah. That's so cool. Yeah. So yeah, we're sitting here outside the spot right here. And it is the Mid-Autumn Festival, so yeah. I just wanted to show this right here. We're gonna go to peace sign. So get a fist bump in there, Dragon. Yes. Yeah. Hey, my name is Indy.
Andy?
Indy, yeah.
My name is Tung.
Tung? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Gamun, Gamun. See you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Let me get him. We're gonna say goodbye to him. Alright, so that's the Midsummer Festival, or Mid-Autumn Festival here in Vietnam. So yeah, you see some kinds of cool stuff like that. So anyways, these guys are cool. So alright, back to it. So hello.